This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review.
Alright guys, so this is the great big pumpkin at nighttime. You can easily see it, even if you're driving past. And this is me beside the great big pumpkin. So you can get an idea, and it's still inflating a little bit more. So hey guys, my name is Scott from Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we're taking a look at this inflatable Halloween setup. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, for the pumpkin, a few things. You get stakes and you got your little manual. When you're inflating, make sure the zipper is zippered up. You only have the zipper down when you're packing it away. So make sure the zipper is fully zippered, or else it's not going to inflate correctly. And also, over here on the fan, make sure nothing is blocking the fan to allow air to come through. So make sure nothing is blocking this fan. So guys, this is the great big pumpkin. So it will take a couple minutes to inflate. It is actually pretty big. And to give you guys a size comparison, I am 5'9", 195 pounds. As you can see, it's still growing up. It's becoming a real big pumpkin. I'm so proud. By the way, I'm Scott with Scott's Honest Reviews. So thank you guys for watching this. Wow, that actually got even bigger. That is crazy. So let me zoom out here a little bit, give you guys an even better angle of how it looks compared. This is just my best friend since high school. That's awesome. That is awesome, guys. So cool. Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. Absolutely love it.